Introduction. Why market on social media? When it comes to social media, there are a plethora of reasons why people should use social media for getting their business's message out there. Social media offers so much in terms of what businesses can do as far as expanding their reach, and it also allows a business to effectively leverage their message to a target audience. There are several different elements that are embedded within social media marketing as well. Making sure these elements are used in a social media marketing campaign is critical to the campaign's success. While social media marketing is quite lucrative, there are a ton of different ways in which social media marketing strategies have backfired. So why do people keep marketing on social media? There are several different answers. These answers include cost benefit. Social media marketing is actually pretty low in terms of opportunity cost because many of the social media sites are actually free to use. This is something that makes using the social media sites quite lucrative for people who have smaller businesses. Because of the low opportunity cost and a low entry barrier, it's easy to gain a foothold in social media when your business is getting off the ground. Demographics. The younger the audience, the more they rely on social media to make decisions for businesses with which to do business. Having a social media presence is non-negotiable because all of the younger generations, including millennials and Generation Z, are social media fiends. They consume most of their news and information through apps like Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. That said, older generations are primarily on Facebook, so having a strong social media presence that is targeted can result in greater business opportunities. The ability to go viral. This is, of course, the dream of any business, provided that you go viral for the right reasons. If a business is going viral, that means the social media campaign has done something really well. Apparel companies, for example, love the idea of going viral with a great shirt, hat, or different types of clothes. Using the currency that going viral could result in being sold out of stock, and if you're already tied in with some drop shipping companies, this could be really profitable because you didn't have to pay for inventory in advance. These are just a few reasons as to why your business should strongly consider using social media for its marketing campaigns. The reality is that when you go ahead and market on social media, what you're doing is using a service that everyone is using and applying the tips and tricks for getting your posts seen to hit your market. This is no different than any old school business practice. For example, any good sales business relies on qualifying leads and then bringing those leads through a sales funnel that results in conversions. When the conversions are made, the order-to-cash cycle begins anew. Established businesses may feel less of a need to aggressively market on social media, but this isn't a wise thing to overlook. For legacy companies, marketing on social media allows for an established brand to get hooked into the younger demographics. As young people begin to enter the marketplace, they're interested in doing things conveniently and interacting with brands. For an older brand that may have a bit of a reserved image, social media marketing makes the brand accessible to younger people, and in turn, those people are more inclined to patronize their businesses. Having the audience with these younger people is more effective using social media marketing practices. That being said, there's a lot more to social media marketing than just to go ahead and throw up a Twitter profile or some Instagram photos. For your brand to be successful in the space of social media, what you must do is use all of the tools of social media to build an audience, qualify your leads, and close the sale. There are plenty of different ways to go about this, but the good news is, when you get involved with social media marketing, the principles of good retail are always helpful. Being polite, respectful, listening to your customers is an easy way for your voice on social media to come through loud and clear. As you build your social media marketing apparatus, what will happen is that your business will have a new revenue stream. resulting in greater profitability.